Hello guys, welcome to this. So today we're going to play Craft Run. So anyways guys, so what's up with this? So to the big to like and subscribe. So anyways guys, we're going to build a new one. So I wanted to build if I want. So that's alright guys. So I have a break in the car. So I don't know. It's still nighttime guys. So anyways guys, we're going to set in the world spawn. So anyways guys, I need a day for that because I want to be a daytime. So I don't like nighttime. I like daytime, guys. Right, guys? So anyways, guys, we're going to build it much I can, so that the villagers can just go inside and just be refreshing this. Okay, this one is the pumpkin, I think, is but these the villagers. So anyways, guys, we're going to play the game, and also I'm going to upload it quickly, guys. Right? So anyways, guys, so we built it a new village. I think it's a new world, so that's right. So anyways, guys, we're going to this rebuild, I guess. Okay, so there's the upstairs. The upstairs, second floor. This the first floor and a second floor. That's good. So anyways, guys, okay, okay. It's good, guys. Okay, I'm going to just continue build it. Or building, I think. So we're going to build a new house, I guess. The new house, I think. But anyways, they even just destroyed. And they even destroyed it. So that's alright. This safe thing. I don't want to just destroy this because they don't want to just destroy it. So anyways, we're going to just put it there. And we're going to put the blocks in there. So that's right. They will just keep it from now on. And also they will just go on the inside and also place in a bed and also place in a I don't know. Sorry guys. I need to just break the grass thing. The grass I think, I don't know, and the dirt I think. But anyways, I'm going to put the door and also what? I don't know. Okay, I don't know. Okay, so we're going to play the game. So that's that's my everything. So go to place the rat ladder. So the bird. So I'm going to place the bed. Also right there. I'm going to put the bed in there and I'm going to just put the villagers in there. I'm going to place the villagers in there. And also I'm going to put it there. And also I'm going to just put it in a ladder. I'm going to put a ladder there. Okay, let's put in a ladder. So that way I'm going to just decorate it now. I'm going to decorate the village, I think. The village house, I think. The village house. So let me know in the comments, right, guys. Subscribe right now. Okay, so we're going to just rebuild it. Rebuild it in next time, guys, right, guys? So, anyways, guys, village, we're going to just see it. See the upstairs and downstairs. So we're going to just put in glasses or just glass, again. Glass, I think. I don't know what the word is. I'm going to just put a little tiny glass, I think, and also villagers can just see it, I guess. To see the review and the this, guys, right? So, anyways, we're going to just just build it. So we're going to just build. If I just wanted to see the village and just looking at me and staring at me. So let me know in the comments, right, guys? So we're going to just reviewing the village and just build it. And we gonna rebuild it house and we didn't even get a home. I'm not homeless. I'm now in a home, I guess. I'm not in. I'm in a home, I guess. So I'm not homeless, I guess. Right, guys? What the heck? What the happened? What happened, guys? Okay, it's good. What happened? I'm getting sick. I'm getting sick. Okay. Okay. Also, I'm going to place another bed so that villagers can sleep. And also, I'm going to just cover it with the block. Cover it with block. And also, I'm going to place the bed, I guess. Let's place more bed. And let's place a villager or just glass. Let's place a glass, I think, guys, right? I'm going to place a glass. And so villagers can just go inside. They just wanted to stare at me and doing nothing, I guess. Okay, so now I'm comments, right? I'm going to just read it, but I don't know what the code is, okay? So I'm going to just keep on putting more villagers. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm sorry, villager. Okay. Wait. What's that villager? I need trapdoor. More. You need trapdoor, right? We need trapdoor. Trapdoor, I guess. Trapdoor, I guess. I don't know. I don't know what the trapdoor is. Okay, so anyways. Next, this one. Okay, next is this one. This one. A button. A button. A button, guys. Okay, the villagers can see me, I guess. They keep on staring at me and doing nothing, huh? Do not even get enough. These are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 4, I think. 4, 5. Okay, they like bed, I guess. Have fun with that. I guess. You can go out and enjoy that video, I guess. So one of my comments, what is my favorite game? That is called a village. So one of my what's that? Villagers can just do whatever I want. And also I'm going to consider, bro, this annoying, oh my god, this annoying, I don't know. Sorry guys. Annoying, cloud, annoying cloud the thing, I don't know. So otherwise guys, I'm going to see. And also, I like this. This touches meat. I'm going to consider it. Okay, this is good. And also, let's make a new video, I guess. This hardcore, I guess. I don't know. Okay, where should I build next, I guess? This? Okay. Okay, that's good. Going to just build it. And things like this. And also, this is a mountain, I think. And just remove it. Okay. This is the mountain, I think, guys. And also the big house. The big house, I think. They wanted to meet it. The new house. I think it's the villagers. And also, go to this open here. We're doing glass or grass, I think. And just delete the grass, I guess. So I'm going to continue building. I am the builder, guys. Right? I'm a builder. So you can call me a builder. Okay. This is the builder, guys, right? And also, I like this game, because I like this, because they didn't even give me app, so I'm going to just remove the internet, or something like that. So we're going to play the game, let's go the easy game, the United States game. So let me know promise, what is my favorite game, I think. Okay, so anyways guys, we're going to play the game. So anyways, so anyways, we're going to put there. We're going to put the, I don't know, sorry guys. I can't talk properly. I can't talk properly because I don't have a voice box, guys. I can't even talk properly because it's so hard to talk. It's so hard to talk, I think, guys. I can't even talk because I really like, villages and, I don't know, sorry guys. I really like villages and also animal, I think, animal. And also a sheep. I like this, but this the flower. I like flowers and trees, and also grass. And also plants. I don't know what to talk about this. Bro, stop! Oh my god, I look like a turtle. Stop making me a turtle. If I lag, then I'm going to look like a turtle, right? Don't make me a turtle. Don't make me a turtle, right? Okay, good. That's good. Next, I need to replace the door because it's gonna be gorilla. It's gonna be good, guys. Wait, can I just put the I don't know. Sorry. Can I just wait? I need bone meal. I need bone meal. Can I put bone meal? Bone meal. Can I? Let's see. Remember, I can't. You know what? Where's the capybara? Moss. They like moss, I guess. I think it's moss. Moss. I like moss. Okay. Moss like this. Okay. I really like moss. That's just gonna be beautiful. Moss, moss, huh? Okay. What is moss? Let me know in the comments, guys. Okay, that's good. That's good. I like moss, right now. Cause the dating, I hate this type day because it's gonna be freak out and just being scary. Being a fear, guys. I'm being a fear because I'm going to get sudden fear. Okay.
Ano yan? Bakit ko to ha? Bari.
Okay. Okay. I'm going to put it there so that they can walk in there. Put more villages and also with a bed. The bed. With the black or not. Only I can just place this. Just place that thing for the villages. Wonder. I think they like it, I guess. They like the farm because they obsess farm. So that's alright. I just place the door and knock out of this, I guess. I think I like this. Let's put the light there. And also they will just decorate the no. I'm going to just decorate now, guys. Hey. Okay, next building. The next building I think is this. Brick. This brick I think. This brick. What about that? What about this, I guess? What about this? Core, I guess. What about this, I guess? Okay, let's make a tower or just something. I don't know. Let's make it right. Okay, let's make it beautiful. And also, villagers can be proud of me, I guess. Let's get to it, I guess. Okay, that's good. First, the chicken. Okay, let me kill the chicken, I think, because so that they can just see me. They can just see me, I think. Start a llama. A llama. A llama. Hit 2 times. Yes, 2 times. Hit 2 times. Rio. Hit 2 times. Yeah, it's 2 times, and she has 1 time. See, 1 time. 1 time in a row. Oh my god, I have so many blood. I have so many blood now. Oh my god. Hey, you. Mm. Oh my god, I'm going to kill you. Okay, so that's okay. So I'm going to just replace the grass. Grass if I want. Let me know it comes, right? Okay. Well, come on, replace the grass. That way it can be beautiful. This is a beautiful day, right? Okay. So anyways, we're going to place the village. The village thing. So that's it. It's not okay, guys. Okay. Going to just replace the village. Okay. Okay. Thing is beautiful. Thing is beautiful. Okay. Thing is beautiful. Oh my god. I think it's beautiful, guys. Hit 3 times. These the 3 times. Okay. I like this game. I like this game, guys. Okay. I like this. These the Minecraft videos, guys. The Minecraft. Or the Roblox, I think. Let me know in the comments. Oh, yeah. Hey, you. Hit 2 times. Hit 2 times, huh? Yes. I'm rich. I'm rich in blood. Rich in blood. Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, that's good. So we're going to place the grass. The grass. Okay. The grass. The grass now. So otherwise guys, I'm going to just place the bed. So that is cool. And just being a coolness guys. Ano ko ba? So this the village that we saw there in attic. Yes, I don't know. So this volcano because my brother just built it and made it now. So anyways, They will just see now. And also I'm going to place the lantern. I'm going to place the lantern, I think. And also I'm going to place it if I want.
Hey, it's my brother.
What? How? Let's place the lantern so that they can just see. What? Sus? Susi baka? Chicken jockey. Oh my god, wow. Wow, I like this. No! I was a mistake. Sorry, baby. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just ruined it. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, I accidentally ruined it. Wow, this is the scene. This is the scene. Horsey. Hey. Ayo. Horsey. I'm going to write on you. Sorry, Horsey. Horsey, no. No, it's still no. Bruh, still nothing, man. Or I'm going to just be attacked. Bye, Horsey. Have fun. I think you'll see the word goodbye. Okay. I'm going to replace the lantern. Okay, this is the lantern that I saw this. This is the lantern that I saw. The volcano being erupted by the city, I guess. The erupt by city. And they will just ruin it, I think. They ruin the city, yes. So probably I'm going to die. I will die there. So anyway, this is the village. And also this. And also I like this. Okay. The letter and the phone. What the heck? Okay. Wow, look at this. There's so many villages in there. Why there's so many villages? Oh my god. Okay. Did even get homeless, guys? Did even get homeless? I think I like this. Okay. Okay.
Ohio. Look and see Ohio.
Come on. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just break one. What the heck? What the heck happened? What the heck happened, guys? Okay. I'm a builder, guys, right? Yes. Okay, somebody will go to comment me or something. I'm going to look at the comment, guys. Okay? I just wanted to play Craftman or something like that. I wanted to be nice with that comment. So, they will not affect it. They have to buy a monster, I think. But Kera just will ruin it, I guess. Ruin the creation, I think. So now I promise. What? Okay. I don't want to lose my house, I guess. And also ruin my bed, I guess. This is the village bed. But they can just sleep. They can just sleep at it. Right? So I like this. Okay. I put the bed in there, so that's right. This is the house there. That's all. I'm going to just kill more sheep. I just wanted to kill a sheep. If I want, guys. Also, let's place the grass, I guess. This one is smaller, that's okay. So that's right. I'm going to ruin that, I guess. Okay, what's up? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good, guys. Wow. If I get a play button. Wow. Okay, now let's put the seed there, or the being shade. Okay, that's good, guys. That's good. Good today, guys.